Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today we are doing a fun spring haul. I have some craft stuff, I have some decor stuff, my sidekick for the 3 seconds before he flies out. That was Simba. And without further ado, let's get into it. With spring and summer coming, I like to freshen up my home without breaking the bank, and Temu helps me do that. Right now, Temu is offering something very special. It's a $100 coupon bundle. Here's how to activate the code. Download the Temu app. Go in the search bar and type in the code that is on the screen. Press enter, and then you're going to see all of that come up. It's fun. You keep on clicking and it'll give you a bundle of $100 discount. Now, if you are already a customer, use an email that's currently not associated with Temu. That is my little tip because this code is for first-time customers. And of course, thank you to Temu for kindly sponsoring this video. As I'm showing you every item, I'm going to have the price on the screen, and I'm also going to have a link for this item in the description box below. Let's get started with craft stuff. And you know I had to get wreaths. I decided to grab 12-inch and 14-inch because they are the most common ones. I did grab a set of 2 of each. This is the good quality wreaths, my friend. Do you see the intersection where it has the little hook? So it's not just soldered on, it's basically soldered on and then bent in the front. You've seen these at some craft stores, but do compare the prices because I think these are not bad at all. The 12-inch wreath has 5 sections and the 14-inch wreath has 7 sections. A lot of you have been asking me to do a wreath using this particular wreath form because instead of the 6 sections, it has the 7. Question for my wreath makers. Is there a style of wreath you would like me to do using this 7-section wreath style? Maybe it's a curly wreath, maybe it's a poof wreath. Let me know in the comments below and I will make that happen, or I'll do my best and I'll just choose the one that people mention most and I'll do that because I have 2 at 14 and 2 at 12. Let's go through the signs that I got. Starting with the 8-inch signs, all of them came in the little cardboard and in plastic like this one. And this is one of the better ones. It has that little edge bent on the sides. I really like that. And this is the Hello Fall one. Really like this one. For the upcoming Memorial Day and 4th of July, I got this gorgeous sign. Of course, it's a metal sign. All of the signs that I got are metal. And then I also got this one. I fell in love with this one. And this is another one where the edges are bent on the other side. So beautiful. For a summer theme, a nice cute little watermelons. I have some watermelon ribbon that I want to use up, so I thought I'd get something like that. And then I did get a Christmas one. 2 tips when grabbing a sign with wording. Number 1, always check the spelling. And number 2, make sure that the wording, like in this sign, is a little bit towards the center so that any deco mesh or ribbon that's going to spill onto the sign is not going to cover the wording of the sign. Next, I got this sign and I just checked. It's already sold out on Temu, but that's not a problem. Go to the link I gave you anyway. Click on it and it'll give you similar items, if not the same items that look exactly the same, and buy those. So still click on the link and just go from there. Here's a little preview of what I'm kind of thinking for fall, and that's going to be sunflowers. Aren't these beautiful with the 2 butterflies there? I just think the sign is very kind of rustic, but kind of beautiful. I thought it would be a perfect wreath for fall. The next item really got me sad, my friends. This is a 10-inch by 10 yards roll of deco mesh, and this is how it came. If you know, you know this is not a good sign, but I have ordered a lot of deco mesh from Temu, and this is the first one that I ordered in this condition. It could be a fluke, it could be the seller, I'm not sure. Definitely unfortunate, but I can still use it for a continuous wreath, maybe like a bubble wreath, maybe a poof wreath. When it comes to crafts and when it comes to decor, you cannot beat the prices of Temu on a lot of things. Moving on to tablescapes. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention that in a few weeks, I'm going to do another Temu haul. And this one I ordered, I think it was like 2 or 3 big orders of things I need for the home. And so I'm definitely going to share that with you because I got some really, I think, cute and sweet things. But speaking of that, do you guys know what this is? This is the cheesecloth table runners. They came in a set, and these are going to be so pretty with my spode dishes. So I thought this would work really, really pretty in my blue spode inspired dining room. I cannot wait to do a tablescape. Just imagine white tablecloth, this runner right here, kind of scattered on the table, my spode dishes. It's in my head. I cannot wait to make it. And of course, I will share it with you. I got 3 sets of napkin rings, starting with this gorgeousness, my friends. It has a bigger pearl, a smaller pearl. I did get the one with the gold hardware. I think this one just screams elegance, and it could match pretty much anything because it has white in it. These napkin rings came in a set of 8, and I absolutely love the simplicity. It's like a circle cut in half. Sometimes when we do tablescapes that are a little too busy, you kind of need to tone it down with a simple napkin ring, or maybe the napkin itself has a lot of design on it. A simple napkin ring goes a long way to make it look elegant and beautiful. This next one, I threw it in the cart before I even looked at the price. It's a little bow. I got it in a set of 6, but look at this gorgeousness. How beautiful is this napkin ring? You can use it for any type of dinner party, but I got it to do dinner parties with my friends. I think they'll think this is the cutest thing ever, right? I mean, really, it's so, so beautiful. And I'm very, very sure it comes in silver also, but the gold is just so elegant, and it's going to go with my Royal Albert. The last thing I got for my dining room is a runner. This is a patriotic runner. It's a very long, beautiful runner. The quality looks very, very good. I'm not sure how it washes, obviously, but I think it's a beautiful, beautiful runner for 4th of July. And I'll throw measurements right here so you can see how long this is, because I did get a fairly long one for my dining room table. For my living room, I decided to freshen up with some new pillowcase covers. I got 2 of these lemon themed ones. I love the accent of black, but it's not overwhelming. It has little polka dots, some little checkered ribbon on it. It comes in a set of 2, and these are just wonderful. I think they're so pretty, so bright. And along with these, I got some matching pillowcases that look so high-end. Now, the fabric on them is a little bit on the thicker side, and you could tell that this is not cheap fabric. This is a very nice kind of heavy fabric. This came in a set of 4, so 4 of the yellow ones, and they come in so many different pretty colors. The last set of pillow covers are really, really nice, my friends. First of all, look at this fabric. This also comes in a set of 4, but check this out. Light green, sage green, kind of like a minty green, and a darker green. I love the fact that these came in different shades and they have different color combinations. So pretty, my friends. I really, really like this idea. I just think it would be so pretty to pair them with the leaves and put them around my living room. And it's all going to look kind of eclectic, but not. Everything's going to match because the fabric matches on the green. It's going to look okay. And next, I couldn't say no to the sign when I saw it. I thought it was so adorable, affordable, and it's one of these box signs. I thought it was super cute, and I might throw it somewhere, maybe in the kitchen. I'm not sure yet, but I thought it was really, really cute and working with my lemon theme for the spring and summer season. The last thing I'm going to show you is some florals, but they're not florals, they're lemons. They all came wrapped like this. Let's take a closer look. These little branches come with white little plastic flowers. Just putting these in a vase by themselves would be pretty, but maybe adding some other greenery or white florals also may look nice. But I think I really like them by themselves. Look at that. There's plenty of lemon. You have a nice contrast between the yellow and the green. These are really, really pretty. That is it for this Temu haul, my friends. Don't forget about the discount code right here. This is for new accounts only. So just use an email that you have not used before, and you will be able to use the discount and go shopping, because spring is here and summer is right around the corner. If I had to choose one favorite item from this entire haul, I have to say that I love this little bow. The pillowcases are really good quality, and I thought the sign was very adorable. But this absolutely gorgeous bow napkin ring holder is my ultimate favorite. In the comments below, I would love to know which item from today's haul was your favorite. With that said, thank you for being here. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, my friends. Mwah.